Hello! In front of me I have Mibro Watch GS Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called Sounds and Touch. Tap on it. Here, scroll down and find the motor level option. Tap on it. And here you can adjust the intensity of the vibration on your watch. Like that. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.